Hello everyone, welcome to our demo. Our project is called School Performance Analytics, a web application designed for smarter school management. So what makes this solution unique is that it's built using WSO2's very own Ballerina Swan Lake, which gave us the flexibility, scalability and integration power needed to deliver this project in the hackathon. So moving on to our project problem statement. So schools often face challenges in handling performance data. So typically reports are manual, scattered and lack a unified view across years, classes, subjects, students and in many more point of views. So we wanted to modernize this process, and for that we needed a service oriented architecture. That's where Ballerina Swan Lake came in. It helped us design modular services, connect them seamlessly and expose them as APIs for our web frontend. So moving on with the functional overview, with our platform schools can track student performance across multiple years. So the list I'm going through right now is just a brief overview of what our solution is capable of catering. So this is just a short rundown. And so evaluate teacher performance at class level, view class-wise analytics and subject averages, maintain a complete student profile across their 13-year journey, and via this solution they can granular their data into term wise as well, like as in first term, second term, third term. So identify top performing students and courses, detect low performing subjects to allocate resources, generate a modernized full mark report that replaces traditional paper based reports. So this was our main objective to achieve, which is to modernize the native paper based student reports. So with this solution we were able to convert it into a digital solution, a digital view, where with a simple click they can download it as well if they want to. So all of these are powered by backend services built in Ballerina. Each functionality is tied to a specific Ballerina service, ensuring clarity and modularity. So moving on with some key aspects of our projects, which is, so we implemented a role-based access system directly in our Ballerina services. The application supports 4 roles apparently, mainly, which is managers, which access to school-wide analytics. I mean, they have a brief overview of their school's analytics. So teachers with classes and student level dashboards, students who can view their reports and all. So basically students only have mostly they only have a view, which is the core objective of the solution. The most heavy workload is loaded into the role of teachers and officers. So Ballerina security features made it straightforward to integrate. We used JWT authentication with both access and refresh tokens to keep the system secure. So once a user logged in, they will get access token, and to refresh that access token to keep it, since access tokens are built to expire, we can like refresh it using refresh token. So we have implemented that as well. So moving on with our technical overview. So here's where Ballerina came in. So we designed the backend with service oriented architecture, as I said before. So mainly we have the above services, which are authenticate service, course subject enrollment service, database, sorry, that's not a service, report service, student course service, student service, subject service, and etc. So as I said before, we designed the backend with service oriented architecture, where each service follow the single responsibility principle. So we have separated our concerns, where we can scale up or scale down with regards to our needs with this architecture. We build services such as I said before, auth, user, course, subject, student, all according to the above said architecture. These services communicate using Ballerina's powerful networking and integration features, which made building REST APIs and fast, reliable integrations. So in the main .bal, we can see the all API endpoint listed down. So we have used a single HTTP listener, where we will load an endpoint when needed. So rather than creating a listener every single time a service is called, we can use a single listener and load it as we need. So we tested everything using Postman and even integrated some PowerShell scripts. As you can see from our left corner dashboard, there are some PowerShell scripts as well. So in our left panel, as you can see, there are test API PowerShell scripts, test course PowerShell scripts, and so on. So as I said before, Ballerina also gave us a clean file structure based development model, making the project easy to scale and maintain. So to wrap things up, school performance analytics is not just a school tool, it's a demonstration of the power of WSO2 Ballerina Swan Lake in building real world scalable and secure applications. It allowed us to rapidly create modular services, integrate security, and expose APIs that drive a modern data-driven school management platform. So thank you for watching our demo, and we are proud to present this project as part of the